affordable TV packages like the Flex Pack, which offers 50 popular channels with the ability to add on channel packs that will appeal to your customers. Plus, when you sign up for this business, they'll give you the 2-year TV price.
What's wrong with you, bud?
So you won't get any surprise.
You!
Drive your business with customized entertainment.
What's up? I'll you up right now. You might want to get back in that car, mother. Get in the car, mother.
Right, I'm just gonna say last name was on. It's a big mess, like a serious mess. So second place is Antonio Brown, third place is Karen. Fourth place, he's been doing a lot of ads. I see him in a lot of ads these days. He's my wife's favorite quarterback for that reason.
GEB 552.
No, funny ads. She loves his ads. I'll just tell you like that.
Take a video, dude, you scumbag. That doesn't do nothing. What the video's gonna do anything.
What? What is your problem? You cut me off. Dude, you came around the corner at 100 miles an hour. No, I didn't. Doing 33. Don't be a fool. You don't... Dipshit.
Brother, is everything okay? Is everything okay?
I ran out of gas.
Oh.
Can you, if I give you a gas thing right here,
yeah.
Can you get me gas? I'll give you the money.
Yeah, sure. Bro!
Another one breaking the law. 90 miles an hour into 60. I just wanted to praise them and thank them for the good service they provided, other than the coronavirus, because other people have diseases and problems. That's right. So how are you doing, Chuck? I'm getting there. There you go. Well, I'm able to move around some by myself.
Well, that's awesome, Chuck. We appreciate you calling in and
Here,
letting
100
everybody know
miles
what a
an
great
hour
job
to keep
our
up with
medical
this
workers
cop.
are doing out there in our community. It's 817 in the Big Talker, WGMS.
Good morning. The right lane is still blocked 26 eastbound, approaching the 212 split to 526. Apparently this was an earlier non-injury accident. A couple of emergency vehicles are still on the scene, and again, they are blocking the right lane. So use care going by there. Drive carefully. I'm Sherry Bernardi.
Need to manage a changing workforce? It's time to get to know Express Employment Professionals. Visit expresspros.com to find one of over 830 locations to help support you.
Yes, sir. Can I see your supervisor? Why? You was doing 100 miles an hour when you went past me. I got you on my speedometer. You was doing 100 miles an hour, sir.
All right.
And you didn't have your blue lights on. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
Okay.
If I did that, you'd pull me over and give me a ticket.
Would I?
Yes, sir.
All right. Why are you wearing your seatbelt?
I just took it off because I thought I was going to get out and talk to you.
All right. Well, great. If you have an issue with what I did,
Yes, sir. What's your name and badge number,
you can
please?
see it right there. Oh, Charles County.
What's your name and badge number, sir? You're supposed to tell your name and badge number to anybody who asks, sir. That's your policy. Okay, 82247. There you go, guys and gals. You see tyranny at its best. Tyranny at its best, y'all. Tyranny at its best.
That's dangerous. If a motorcycle wants to... Did you see the sign in the middle of the road? What does it say? It says pedestrian crossing, but there's no crosswalk. Right, it doesn't make sense. Right, but there's no crosswalk. Learn how to...
Good job. Good job.